Hi, Daryl Wittenberg here with Industrial Solutions and Innovation and Ready to Weld. And we are very excited to introduce our headstock line as a standalone unit. We've been building headstocks for the Ready to Weld system for well over a decade. And several times we have had requests from folks, can I buy the headstock and make it something that I use in a manual station? Well, we have redesigned our headstock this year for 2026, and this system allows us a great deal of flexibility. This system can be used as a standalone for manual welding, but with just a couple of changes to some wiring in the cabinet, we can also integrate this to a Ready to Weld down the road. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's run through the features on this. This particular headstock is a 12,000 pound headstock. It's designed to allow you to rotate up to a 36-inch long radius elbow with a flange on the outboard side. We have a vertical adjustment for our center line that is driven by this electric motor here and a VFD in our cabinet. And our lead screw is a large capacity, I believe it's 2 1/4 inch OD Acme thread. Really robust, capable of holding a tremendous amount of weight. We're going up and down on these linear bearings with these guides here. Again, they're very robust, a tremendous amount of weight holding capacity, and we have safety pins in place for once you get to the desired height or center line, you simply lock these in so that you've got that added measure of safety with those safety pins in place. Our gripper is also from Ready to Weld. We build these in-house. It has through the chuck purge capability. It has a 2 to 36 inch range. And to adjust that, you simply pull the pin here, adjust this out to where you want, and then lock that back into place. Another feature on this gripper is on each one of these are hardened inserts. Now they come standard with carbon steel, but if somebody wanted stainless steel inserts, we can put those in as well as an option. This is our servo motor that we use for the rotation. And the reason we've gone with a servo motor of this type is it allows us to take this system from a manual system like this and integrate it in directly to a Ready to Weld. So it gives you a lot of flexibility because let's say that today you want all manual systems, but down the road you want to upgrade and bring some automation to your pipe welding. This allows you to take this investment and put it into that Ready to Weld and reduce the entry-level cost for that Ready to Weld down the line. So we have a foot pedal here. This foot pedal has a strain relief on it. The idea being that if someone does decide to pull it down the line using the cord, we don't recommend that, but if they do, that strain relief will help protect that connection right here. That foot pedal has 2 pedals on it, one for one direction, so that's counterclockwise, and then this is the foot pedal on the other side for clockwise rotation. Additionally, we have a remote pendant. This remote pendant has the rheostat on it to adjust the speed of rotation. It also has the ability to rotate with a button here. And then of course we have our e-stop. This system also has a rotary ground. So there's a DINS connector right here. You would simply connect your power supply to that DINS connector, and we have a good solid ground on the back side of this. We have a constant contact with a spring-loaded copper slug that's about 2.5 inches OD. So you've got really good ground capacity on this as well. The vertical up and down is a VFD that's set in the control cabinet on the back side as well. This system is really built so that your pipe fabricators and your welders, they can purge through the chuck. It has all the features that you would need for a standalone headstock in a manual station, and it gives you the ability to grow and integrate this into an automated welding system. ISI has these available for purchase, and of course we also have them available for rent. Rent is determined by quantity available, so rental fleet is a limitation there, but it is a great way for you to try one out and see if it works for what you're wanting to do in your shop. Thank you for watching this video today. We look forward to working with you at Ready to Weld.